Welcome back to the receive side of the Midland 77 104D UK CB radio. This is the receive side. So we've got on receive, at the moment you can hear we're on channel 20 and we're looking at about 3 microvolts going into it. That's not as sensitive as I would expect. Anyway, the adjustments are L101, L102, and I think that's L103 and L104. So you've got 4 adjustments. I'll just zoom in on those. So I'm going to start with, turn the volume up. I've got cyanide meter and an oscilloscope on this. I've just set the signal generator to 1 microvolt now. That's a bit better. So I've done that the first time. I'm going to go through them again. So we'll just back off the signal generator a bit. That's not as good as I would expect, to be honest. That is 0.55 of a microvolt. A lot of sets will receive down to 0.3. I don't think it's faulty. I think that's the way it performs. So that isn't that impressive, to be honest. Right, what we'll now do is provide us S9 signal, and we'll set the detector. So I'm now looking at the oscilloscope connected to the speaker output, and I'm now going to maximize that sine wave which it's displaying, and it's the detector coil there. Is it L3? Anyway, that's the detector coil just there. There's the MC3357 FM-IF subsystem chip, and that's the detector coil. Actually, we just gained a little bit there, so that's good news. Now, while we're at it, we need to make sure that the receive meter, for what it's worth, is showing S9, which it is. But just for the video, we'll readjust that, and the receive meter is the preset there, which is RV102. So I'll just tilt that up so you can see. There's the plus 30, and then back to, oops, back to there. And as you can see, what you'll now see is as I adjust the signal generator, do you know what? That's worse. I think we've got a bit of dirt on the preset there. So we'll just adjust that again. I'll just check that with signal generator again. That's better. So that's set that. Now we'll do the squelch. The squelch preset is RV101, which is in the corner behind the microphone socket. So we're just going to turn the signal generator off. Set the squelch. Ooh, that's awful, isn't it? You can still hear the FM hiss. It's Really noisy transistor that. In fact, the new set in my car is a bit like that. I've got a new Intex set. I'll tell you the model if I could find the box. No, I can't tell you the model. Right, so what we're going to now do is we're going to advance the signal drainage until the squelch comes in. Let's come in at 3 microvolts. Now we're going to set the squelch to full. It's quite fiddly because it's concentric. You know, you've got the outer and the inner, so that's concentric. So we'll go 10 microvolts, 30 microvolts, 100 microvolts, 300 microvolts. That is fine. So that's set. That is set up all right. But if you need to adjust the squelch sensitivity, it is RV101, which is just there. Now I'm just going to go through that receive sensitivity once again off camera and just see whether I can just get another little bit out of it. Back on camera, having gone through that several times, we're on the main attenuator setting of the signal generator at 1 microvolt. That's 0.9, 0.8, 0.7, 0.6, 0.5. Anything less than just under 0.5 and we've lost it. I don't think that's brilliant, but we'll see what it's like in the field test, and I've forgotten what it was like when we did the 77104 UK version. So really, I think that's all I can talk to you about on this set. So that is the Baby Midland 77104D for the UK market, and subsequently you will see us do a on-the-air video on this and the UK version as well, and we'll just see if they both perform the same in the field trial. So thanks for watching.